So this is going to be a quick video about how you clean a linear drain. This is also known as an infinity drain. That's the brand, but technically they're called linear drains. And basically you have this long flat drain and this piece actually comes out. If you bought one of these or you had it made, then you know that. If you just kind of moved into the house or you're renting, then it's probably not so clear. But basically this thing comes up, you pick that up, then you clean under there. You're supposed to do that with this. It's a weird little hook. It comes with the drain and you use this to lift it up. It's just a strong piece of steel. So you have your key, and when you want to clean this out, what you want to do is you want to get the key, put it under here, and it's best to do at the ends or at one of the ends. You don't need two keys. And you just get this piece and you pull it up. Then you grab the drain. It could be heavy if there's tile in here or stone. Now you can place this on your shower and you can give it a good cleaning. It's going to get hair and some, old shampoo and soap. That'll all collect here. You want to just wash it off. This piece is metal, so you can use, any shower cleaning stuff you might want. You can use vinegar or shower wash. You don't want that stuff to be on your stone. For stone, you want to use your stone wash so you don't mess up your stone. But for this, since it's metal, you can use whatever you want. These little feet here, they will collect all sorts of grime and hair. It'll look pretty nasty, but again, it's just old shampoo and things like that. There'll be a little shower drain at the bottom. Pull that out, clean out any of the hair, any of the old soap suds or anything like that, and then give this thing a good wash, put it back. And that's really all there is to it. The most confusing thing about here is how you get this out. To put it back, just pick it up, put one corner down, and slowly just cantilever it into place. You can use the key on the other side just to slowly put it down. Pretty simple. If you don't have a key, you can get some sort of rope, or in this case, a little metal loop, and you could put it here, put it under this piece right here, around the end, that's possible, but I wouldn't recommend it because this piece is slippery and it's really best done with that official hook. And you just want to be really careful. If you were to drop this, you could pinch your finger or you could obviously crack the stone. So you want to just be really careful, and the hook is the safest way to do it. Again, there's the putting back procedure. Pretty simple. Just want to take it slow and be as gentle as possible.